Hey YouTube, I almost forgot my chapstick. Random pick candy cane. No screen today. I just got back in from the store. It was a good day to go because Boathouse Farms was on sale. Buy one, get one free, so I bought a bunch of those. Ipsy came in the mail today. This is Ipsy Glam Bag. It is $13 a month. You get 5 travel size or like sample items, and you get to pick one of your items, and it comes in this month a nice furry bag. I'm always just like, what's with the bags? And there's one other thing inside the bag, actually 2. So the bag is now empty. So let's open up the bag and see if there's any product information, because usually for me there seems not to be. Girl Gone Glam, it says, and it has some other information. You might know her as Miss Murder, Mystery, and Makeup, or you may recognize her unmatched makeup skills from your Instagram feed. But we're excited to officially dub Bailey Sarian as our February Glam Bag X Curator next month, which will be February 2023. Embrace your dark side with her Glam Bag X, where dramatic makeup and no holds barred glamour give you a guaranteed glow up. I do also pay for the Glam Bag X, which I believe is $58. And you can choose 3 of your items. Oh, do tell. They have a product information sheet. This is maybe like the 4th time. I did cancel my Ipsy Glam Bag, which also cancels the Glam Bag X. And so I believe April was when it expires. Not expires, but it's canceled. And so I don't know if it's prorated, meaning I'll get it back in May or not. But I'm excited. There's a sheet in here. This is, if there's brush or mascara, I do opt for that, because I do find that I actually do use the majority of the brushes that come in my Ipsy bag. And this says the brand is Half Baked, it's made in China, the 808 blending brush. But this, to me, being a domed brush, I don't know. I guess I would use it for blending. I don't know. But we will see. It says it retails for $8, and this is a full size. Almost everything in here says it's full size. There is a mascara, a Milani mascara. I'm sorry. You can buy Milani at drugstores. I'm just saying. Milani Cosmetics highly rated anti-gravity mascara in Intense Black. This is full size, retails for $12. Supposed to be smudge proof and all of that jazz as well. Pulling something else out of the bag. This is, I cannot read what the brand says, but Rebel Eye Definer Pencil. That is what this is. And it says, oh, her name is Raina Rebel. Her last name is spelled R-E-B-E-L-D-E. So I probably pronounced it wrong. One swipe is all you need to get a fully intensified color with this eyeliner pencil. The saturated blacker than black pigment glides on smoothly, and once set, stays on for the long haul, up to 24 hours on land and in water. This is full size. It retails for $17. I might use this as a black lip liner, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's what I'll probably use that for. I am just so excited that there's an information sheet. This I will not use. I don't know. I might have spoken too soon. Pure Lease. And you can buy this at drugstores too. This is Silk Glow BB Base Primer. Glow above and beyond with this skin perfecting primer that helps to give you a complexion, a healthy glow. I read that backwards. That helps to give your complexion a healthy glow. Its oil-free formula imparts a luminous quality to the skin while helping to lay down a perfect base for long-lasting foundation. Tip, wait until it's fully dry before you begin applying makeup. Full size retails for $28. I'm excited too that because of the products, they are full size. This is full size. This is full size. Of course, the brush is full size. It's not even a travel brush. This is a full size brush. This is a sample size. But on here it does say full size, but this is not. This is 0.24 fluid ounces, and it fell on the floor. The last thing in the bag, and this does say deluxe sample, Full size retails for $27, and the brand is Truffle Therapy. And I have heard of this before, and so I'm thinking I received this in a subscription box somewhere along the line. And the brand is Skin&Co Roma. It's a face toner. Y'all know I'm not going to use this. I just opened one, not opened it, but showed you one from BoxyCharm base box that I also said I wasn't going to use. Ooh, and this says rosemary, and that's a no for me because of my nasal allergies and also my skin sensitivity. So no lavender, no rosemary type stuff. Tell your clogged pores to get lost when you use this purifying toner with clarifying rosemary. And that's interesting because if I use this would actually break my face out. Seriously. Witch hazel and cucumber to help soothe and detoxify your skin. Highly concentrated black truffle helps to heal and protect your complexion from free radicals. Tip: follow with your favorite serum and or moisturizer. So this is a no for me. And so what do we have here? The Purely's primer that's on the floor that I probably will just put somewhere. This will go somewhere. The face toner. I will use the brush. I'm definitely going to try the brush. It feels dense. And so I'm thinking this would be good for buffing out lower lash line or maybe just like outer V work. But it seems kind of dense. Oh, there's like dust fluffing off. This seems kind of dense for blending, but I will use that. I will try the mascara and I will use the eyeliner, but I would use it as a lip liner. Wait a minute, what's this, lip liner or eyeliner? Yes, it's eyeliner, but I'm going to use this as a lip liner. So 3 products for my 13 bucks. I will use out of this bag. The bag will go somewhere, and the other 2 items I showed you I'm not going to use will go somewhere. And so I think also moving forward, not only because my Ipsy will be done in April or May, but I also have BoxyCharm base box, and I also signed up for premium. And so I think what I'm going to do for February is wait until base box and premium come in and then do just one video instead of having separate videos. And so my BoxyCharm base box video is already live. My base box, no, my premium is due to come in later this week. And so instead of just splitting it up that way, I'll just wait. And that'll be it. Let me know what you think of these products. And thank you for watching. Self-acceptance, self-love. That's the Crazy Troll Nation way. You'll see me next time. Thanks.